internet! Have you ever callously walked into your man cave slash fish room slash construction area, if only to have one of your pieces of equipment haunted by a ghost demon that wishes to rip flesh from bone? Have you experienced the terror of a cursed saw that wishes to remove all of your body parts from your human frame? Has that ever occurred to you? If it has, you should most likely upgrade your equipment as soon as possible. For me, it only took years of hard labor and a Christmas gift. A Christmas gift from my lovely betrothed, who brought it to me early. Was it Christmas at Thanksgiving? I believe it was Christmas at Thanksgiving time. I consider myself a lucky man in being surrounded by equipment that tries to ruin me and detach my flesh. For having a betrothed who's willing to exorcise the demons from the equipment that's trying to murder me. Out here in the deep, dark depths of the first world, things come in shiny boxes, which is amazing. It's amazing. An amazing, shiny, lustrous plastic wrap boxes designed specifically for travel through heavy machinery shipping departments and, well, you know, human endeavors. Compound miter saws are very, very useful for the type of work that needs to be done in the coming year. You can make angular cuts and straight cuts alike. You can go at 42 degrees or 12 degrees, however you feel. It is fully adjustable to whatever you have an inkling of you're going to make. Maybe you're going to make a fancy bureau in which to keep all of your fancy documents. Or, like me, you're going to make strange furniture and fish room delights. Needless to say, my next step should probably be adding some lights to my work area, for it is very dark and creepy in there. Yes, I think that's probably the most likely thing I should get to work on. Lighting. A light in the darkness to save us on this day and henceforth into the future. The futures never look so bright, with so many lights and so many things to marvel. Marvelous discoveries wrapped in styrofoam and plastic, and occasionally a zip tie or a twisty tie. Never forget the appreciation that we have for these glorious companies creating devices in which we will be able to create more things in the future. I have no idea why you've watched this whole entire video, but if you have,
Just remember, the live show is Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, live on the YouTubes. If you haven't been to the YouTubes, it seems odd because this is only uploaded to the YouTube. If you've never been to YouTube before, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and all that nonsense. We'll be back with more fish-related videos soon. Like very, very soon. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today, being goofball. All right. Later.